Hi, this is Jim Robinson with ProfitTrading.com, and we're going to take a look at a few of the softs this morning with track and trade software. This is July coffee, and coffee looks like it's making a bottom here. We put just a classic trend line. It looks like it's making a double bottom, and it's very interesting how it came below that last low and then it came up. Now that's a hammer candlestick. If you follow candlesticks, which is a candlestick that's often seen at market lows. We'll put a candlestick on there real quick and see that's just a clear hammer there. Now, the colors on the bars is red bars is bearish bars, yellow is neutral, and green is bullish. So right now, it's just all red and yellow since this has been a downtrend. Okay, so we got this hammer. We'll go back and look at the regular bar chart. Now this, the blue and white line and the blue arrows are the advantage lines. That's something that Track and Trade only has. That's proprietary. And what I'm going to look to do in my premium newsletter is if coffee trades higher and the advantage lines go on a buy signal, and this bulls and bears system turns the bar green, which it will eventually up here if coffee keeps trading higher, then that'll be a good place to go long. And then of course we'll keep an eye on resistance up here. And then this track and trade also has this tool where you can draw like triangles, and if you put that right down here, you can kind of see that this is starting to come out of this consolidation area here, right here. So a really aggressive trader could buy on a breakout of this hammer, but again, that's sometimes the market will go down and test. So these candlesticks are good, but I like to wait for the confirmation of the advantage lines and then the bulls and bears. Okay, so that's coffee. So I think coffee's making a low here, but I want it to turn before I put in a buy signal and say it's in an uptrend. That's why sometimes in my newsletters I'll say things like it's in a downtrend, but it looks like it's at a low, because right now coffee looks like it's at a low, but it is in a downtrend still. So and you really don't want to buy until it starts to look like it's in an uptrend, because a lot of times these markets will just keep going down. Okay, cocoa's been in a strong uptrend. Now this is one in the premium newsletter we did get long in right at the bottom. Well, not right at the bottom, but right at a good place. Well, basically what I did was I bought on this right here on this area here in cocoa in my premium newsletter, and we're still long. Now these bars are green with the bulls and bears. Now today's bar is just yellow just because the bar's still open, trading's still open, but this bar will probably still stay green tonight. Sometimes when the market does a little counter trend correction, these bars will turn yellow. But that is actually a good thing, because if you get a couple yellow bars and then another green bar, then you can buy on the green bar and then you can add to your position. So I follow the color of those bars like a hawk, and I actually would be looking to buy cocoa if we start getting some yellow bars, but then it would have to turn around and go back up. But right now it's just a strong uptrend. The MACD shows the momentum's up. So cocoa's in a strong uptrend. I mean, there's no doubt about it right now. And that don't mean that can't turn in any second, but here was the breakout of the base right here, and it's heading higher. So we're long and staying. Well, actually, we did get stopped out of this yesterday, so I'll be looking to get back in this. So we're long and still bullish cocoa. Okay, sugar. This looks like it's making a base here, just a classic, double bottom, kind of a W type base pattern. Support, resistance. The advantage lines are just getting ready to go on a buy if sugar trades higher from here. So the MACD, you can see that that's coming up, making a bullish divergence. And now the MACD has put in a buy signal here. That arrow is the MACD buy signal. Now where it gets that buy signal is basically when it crosses, see how the signal line down here, this green bar has gone above the signal line, and that's a buy signal, MACD. So everything looks good for sugar to trade higher. If the advantage lines cross and I get a green bar in bulls and bears, we'll probably be going long sugar in the premium newsletter. And that's a look at the softs for right now. Thanks for listening to my video.